All right, first things first, you are going to need to actually make the application. And to do that, you first need to click New Application, then name it, and click Agree. Now click Auth 2, scroll down, and tick Bot and Application.commands. Then you're going to scroll down even more and tick Administrator, and then scroll down once more and copy the generated URL. And then you're going to need to click Bot and generate the bot's token. And you can also set a profile picture and banner for your bot if you really want to, but I'm not going to. And now you are going to need to add the bot to your server. In my case, I'm going to do it off camera and show you guys once it's in the test server. All right, now that the bot is in the Discord server, I'm just going to copy the token because I forgot to do it. All right, now that's done. You can close that tab. All right, now you're going to want to open whatever software you're using to run Node.js projects. Now the package I will be using in this tutorial is aoi.js, which there is two ways of using it. Number one is to download the package yourself or head into the description of this video and download the archive there, which will contain all of these files. All right, you are going to need to go to index.js, and then you're going to need to write const aoi client is equal to require aoi.js. Now this line gives us the ability to use aoi.js in our project. Now you need to write const client is equal to new aoi client circle and curly bracket. And inside that, you're going to put token, prefix, intents, and events. And now I'm going to tell you what each of these actually do. Token is the bot's token, and then prefix is the symbol you use before a command. So the bot knows you are mention it. Intents is a bit more complex, but to simplify it, those are the things the bot have access within Discord. And finally, events are the things that the bot can do, like create messages and interactions and more. All right, I'm going to paste in my bot's token, and my bot's prefix is going to be a period, but you can choose whatever you want. And for the bot's intents, I suggest you just copy me. And for the events, I suggest you just copy my code again. Now we're going to make a command handler. And to do that, you're first going to make a folder where you're going to store all of your commands, just like this. And then we're going to open index.js again and write the following code.
Client.load command, and then the folder's location. And true enables command logging in the console. You can disable this if you want, but I suggest keeping it on to know which commands have successfully loaded and which commands didn't.
Now we're going to make a variable handler. And to do that, we are going to need to make a folder named handler with he_files_variables.js inside it. And then we need to go back inside index.js and add the following code. Client.variables, require and then the file's location. And then, after we save it, we are good to run it now. Before we actually run the bot, please make sure that these 3 intents are enabled in your Discord developer portal. Now once we run the bot, as you can see, the bot is actually online. And that's it. I have showed you how to make a bot from scratch. And in part 2, I will then teach you how to make your first command, and later in the series, it will start to become more complex as we go. But with that being said, I hope you like, subscribe, and comment. What command should we get started on the next video?